Top 5 Best Commercial Drink Mixer in 2020. Number 5. Waring WDM360. Another Waring unit, only better. This one has 3 spindles, so can handle more intense commercial requirements. Each one can be used independently or at the same time. If the 3-spindle variant is too much for your needs, then you can opt for the 2-spindle model. This unit is manufactured with stain-proof heavy-duty die-cast metal. This makes it quite durable and maintenance-free. Its powerful motor is designed to mix even sub-zero creams and give decent results. Mix, mix, mix. This unit is not restrictive. You can mix your milkshake in other cups as well. It also has 2 variable spindles that allow for mixing different content. What makes this unit unique is that the mixer starts automatically once a cup is in place. Thus, you do not need to worry about pressing and regulating 3 controls. Once done, lifting the cup slightly stops the cycle. Not just hype. This best milkshake maker has special ball bearings. These are lubricated with a lifetime lubricant that makes for a long unit service life. Approved by QLess, NSF certified, and coming with a limited 1-year warranty, you can be sure that the Waring WDM360 is not just hype. Pros: 2 and 3 spindle variants to handle heavy commercial requirements. Allows for simultaneous and independent use. Stain-resistant housing. Variable speed controls. The automatic start and stop feature make it easy to use. Allows for use with different cups. Lifetime lubricated ball bearings for improved durability. Varied whisk spindles included for versatile use. The powerful motor generates even mixes. Setless and NSF certified as durable and functional. 1-year limited warranty. Cons: the automatic start/stop feature requires careful cup placement and removal. Coming in number 4. Waring WDM120. The Waring WDM120 is built for constant use. While adaptable for commercial establishments, it does great in a home setting. This heavy-duty machine has 3 variable speeds. Even at its lowest speed of 16,000 revolutions per minute, it is sure to give quick results. This speed makes it a great idea if you have a lot of bellies to fill with some yummy milkshake. No splattering here. This unit is easy to clean. Its whisk is designed not to splatter. In any case, the die-cast housing is stain-resistant, so is easy to clean. Moving to the motor. It is powered at 1 horsepower. So, we are guessing you see the secret to its super performance? Butterfly-shaped agitator for softer ice creams. For better varied use, there is also an included butterfly-shaped agitator for softer ice creams. Also included is a free stainless steel malt beverage cup. Allowing for use with many cups, you get worry-free multiple servings. Finally, it is important to note the certifications. Approved by QLess and NSF certified, it is the best that can be. Not to worry, you as well get a 1-year limited warranty that you should never need. Pros: the super speed makes it great for use in both home and commercial settings. Complimentary malt beverage cup is included. Variable speed settings for versatility. 2 different whisks included that vary its use. Allows for use with different cups. Setless and NSF certified as durable and functional. 1-year limited warranty. Cons: quite loud. Coming in number 3. Hamilton Beach HMD 200. Much like a water dispenser, this best milkshake is easy to use. Even in a commercial setting where there are many needs to be met, the HMD 200 holds up to its function. What do you get with this product? It has 2 triggers that operate it. The first is a pulse switch on its top to stop and start mixing. Secondly, you can press down the hidden switch with your cup to get an immediate mix. Though it comes with a dishwasher-safe cup, its unique function allows other cups to work with it, and quickly. Walk up to the machine, whisk your mix, and the next person is up. Its special 1/3 HP motor is designed for speed. Thus you do not get long waiting time or queues. Won't shake the house down. The Hamilton Beach is designed such that vibration is minimal. Its bearings also have special everlasting lubrication. The whole structure is manufactured with heavy-duty die-cast metal for durability. 3-speed settings, you can mix other items as well. Setless and NSF listed, it is the best can be. Also featured is a 1-year spare part and labor warranty to make your decision worry-free. Pros: easy to use. Can be used stress-free in a commercial setting. Dishwasher safe cup. Special motor designed to give quick results. Allows for use with different cups. Specially designed to vibrate less. Heavy-duty structure for durability. Variable speed settings for versatility. Setless and NSF listed as durable and functional. 1-year limited warranty. Cons: the whisk does not have an anti-scratch protector. Coming in number 2. Cosori blender for shakes and smoothies. A 1500 watts motor and at 30,000 revolutions per minute, the possibilities with the Cosori milkshake blender are endless. Professional grade, this best milkshake maker is no child's play. It, in fact, can be used to heat food. The power of sheer speed. At lower speed settings, it is used to give the best smoothies. It cuts through all added ingredients to give you the best results. Even with added ice, it blends it to give you an instant chill milkshake. This unit has a 70 ounces container to hold all your ingredients. While whipping them up, you can add more ingredients without stopping. There is a smaller lid within the main lid that allows for this. It as well allows you to push large chunks towards the blades for an even mix. Basically cleans itself. Once done, the Cosori has a self-cleaning brush attachment. Put it in place, add some water and soap, and you have your job done for you. It is dishwasher compatible too if you have one. This brand is UL and FDA certified for safety. Also chemical free and with a 2-year warranty, this brand is one to have. However, with its overload and overheating protection, you are very unlikely to need the warranty. Pros: very powerful for a consistent mix. Can be used to heat foods. Blends ice, and anything else. You can add more ingredients during its operation. Cleaning brush included. Dishwasher safe. Chemical free. Overload and overheating protection. UL and FDA safety certified. 2-year warranty. Cons: very loud operation. Frequently overheats. Coming in number 1. Breville BSB510XL. The Breville BSB510XL is sold in a 4-piece set that has everything you need. Included in the pack are a chopping bowl, a blender jug, a whisk, and the electric-powered handheld motor. So, let's take a quick look. The 25 ounces chopping bowl is fitted with stainless steel blades. While this is designed for chopping anything you intend to add to your milkshake, it can as well be used to crush ice. Very powerful, indeed. The 42 ounces blender jug does, well, what a blender does best. It has a few upgrades, though, that makes it suitable for storing items you intend to use later. Also calibrated, it can be used to measure your ingredients. The base is anti-slip to ensure that it is safely in place when blending or in storage. The whisk is powered by the 280 watts motor. This motor has a 6-foot cord that makes it easy to use anywhere in your kitchen. The handheld nature of this device makes it great to whisk items in a pot, jar, etc. Comfortable and safe. This motor is powered by a trigger operation. Thus, you can stop and start it at will. Ergonomically designed, and with a non-slip surface, it is both comfortable and safe. Even better, you get 15 variable settings to work with. At top speeds, it does not scratch your utensils as it has a non-scratch guard. Once done, the blending jug can be used to house the chopping bowl to maximize space and make for compact storage. Pros: 4-piece set for versatility. Chops ingredients and ice for your milkshake. The calibrated jug gives you exact measurements. Anti-slip base. 15 speed settings. Can be used to whisk outside of its provided containers. Long cable for flexibility of use. Trigger operated for stress-free stop and start. Non-scratch guard. The components fit into each other for compact storage. Cons. The 4-piece units make it quite bulky,